need to make a bowl. Just make a batter like this to make a fluffy paratha or chapati or a masala paratha, whatever you can call it as. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. Before you move on to video, I have to tell something. For this perfection of this recipe, 3 things you must remember: patience, timing, and temperature. For these 3 things you're good, this recipe will be the perfect one to make a fluffy masala paratha or chapati. Don't waste time, let's move on.
We can make 5 masala parathas with this whole wheat flour, 1 cup, chopped cilantro, a little, grated garlic, 1 clove, salt, half teaspoon, chili flakes, 1 teaspoon. Combine well. Add 1 cup of water and whisk. Whisk and whisk. Add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Whisk it. Pan on a low medium heat. We are using a non-stick pan. Pour 1 ladle full of batter and lightly spread. Don't spread too much and leave it there and let it cook. Remove from the edges. Give a quick flip and gently press. Don't press too hard, just gently press. Drizzle some oil. Flip it back and gently press again and drizzle some oil. You have to do this process at least 3 or 5 times to get a better result. The paratha, the roti, the chapati, it slowly start fluffing. See? It will fluff like this. Beautifully fluffed liquid batter or rotis, chapatis.
The chapati, the paratha we made, it's ready. See how fluffy it is? Let's try it. Very good. Very nice. I am trying today with the ulli curry. If you want the recipe, please visit my channel. Nice. Very crispy outside, soft inside. Really beautiful. For this perfection, we need some patience. Show that patience and enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye.